Choosing the right car wax polisher can be confusing. Low power motors, uneven polishing, heavy vibration, and short battery life often ruin the detailing experience. A good polisher should give smooth rotation, consistent speed control, and professional grade shine without damaging paint. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best car wax polishers of 2026, perfect for beginners and pros. We checked features, performance, and real user feedback. Links are in description for latest prices. Number 5. BATOCA S5 Cordless 12-Volt Mini Polisher. The BATOCA S5 is a compact cordless 12-volt mini car polisher designed for easy detailing and waxing. It comes with 1, 2, and 3-inch pad options, making it perfect for tight spots, curves, and small panels. The wireless design gives full mobility without tangled cables, ideal for beginners and quick touch-ups. It delivers stable rotation with low vibration for safe paint care. The lightweight body reduces hand fatigue, while the rechargeable battery supports convenient outdoor use. Great for small detailing jobs and DIY car care lovers. Number 4. AUTIWOZ Dual Action DA920W Polisher. The AUTIWOZ Dual Action 920W Polisher is a powerful random orbital machine built for professional-grade waxing and polishing. Its 9mm dual-action orbit reduces swirl marks and protects paint while delivering smooth finishing results. With a high-performance motor, it ensures stable speed under pressure. Ergonomic handles improve grip and control during long sessions. Ideal for paint correction, waxing, and restoring dull surfaces, this tool is perfect for car enthusiasts who want a deeper, more polished shine at home or workshop use. Number 3. Hilda-Wireless Car Polisher. The Hilda-Wireless Car Polisher offers strong portability with its cordless design and multiple 6-speed control settings. It works efficiently for waxing, sanding, and minor paint repairs, making it a versatile detailing tool. The electric motor provides consistent performance with reduced vibration for smooth operation. Its ergonomic body design ensures comfortable handling during long use. Suitable for both beginners and intermediate users, this polisher is ideal for home garages, DIY car detailing, and quick exterior touch-ups without needing constant power connection. Number 2. YOFIDRA 6-inch Electric Polisher. The YOFIDRA 6-inch electric car polisher is a high-power detailing tool designed for sanding, waxing, and rust removal. It features 8 adjustable speed settings, giving precise control for different surface needs. Compatible with Makita 18V to 21V batteries, it offers flexible power options for cordless convenience. The large 6-inch pad covers more surface area, making polishing faster and more efficient. Built for durability and performance, it is suitable for both professional detailing and heavy-duty car restoration tasks. Number 1. AUTIWOZ 21V Cordless Dual Action Polisher. The AUTIWOZ 21V Cordless Dual Action Polisher is the most powerful and versatile option on this list. It supports 6-speed control and is comparable with Makita 18V, 20V, 21V batteries for extended usability. Its dual-action motion ensures swirl-free polishing while maintaining safe paint protection. The cordless design offers maximum freedom during detailing, whether for cars, bikes, or furniture. Lightweight yet powerful, it delivers professional-grade shine, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced users who want premium results. These top 5 car wax polishers offer a mix of power, portability, and precision for every type of user. From mini cordless tools to heavy-duty dual-action machines, each model delivers strong performance for detailing and paint care. Choose the one that fits your needs and upgrade your car shine today.